Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're not, thank you for coming back. We are going to take some Instagram pictures. A little influencer in the wild moment. So I have my friend B over right now. B is a model and a content creator as well, and used to have a YouTube channel, and she's just the best and is like my only friend that will actually go out and take Instagram pictures with me. So I'm so excited. We're just gonna go around some places in LA. I think we're gonna try to start with like kind of being near our apartment for our first look, and then if we can find a couple locations out of that, we will, but if not, we'll go drive somewhere cool. Once we get outside and we are with B, I will show you our outfits and we'll show you around our little locations, and yeah. All right, so we're just gonna go around like literally the neighborhood. I feel like there's kind of cute places around here.
This is like the street we're on, so
we're just gonna
find some gems.
Yeah, we'll just walk around, see what we see, and let's go.
Let's do it.
So this is B. You all have actually met her on the channel before. She was in my very first, yes, the very first YouTube vlog ever. This is literally the apartment complex right across the street from mine. So yeah, I feel like we can actually make this kind of cute. Yeah. Wow. Literally. That's cool. So this is my first little outfit. I have this little cropped shirt on, this little button down, crisscross jeans, and black boots, and then these little hoop earrings and sunglasses. Going for a little, I don't know what my vibe is. I just tell B to tell me what to wear, and she does.
Disclaimer, I do not support Forever 21. I was a stan in middle school, but I'm only doing this because I got free clothes. So everything is Forever 21. This sweater is, these trousers are, I'm borrowing Jordan's belt, some loafers, and this thrifted bag, and then these little sunnies from like Amazon or something.
Cute, cute. Okay, literally, we popped off. Like, first location, done, honestly.
Yeah, one and done, easy peasy.
Like, I never really realized how many good little locations there are right outside our house, but like, this was right across the street, and we still have like, all the buildings on our street are just so different that like, it's definitely a little vibe.
Just head to toe Forever 21, baby. Some green cords and this vest. Same bag, same shoes.
Thrifted glasses, this little, I don't really know what this is, a vest situation?
Vest situation.
Yeah, it's from Zara. This skirt is thrifted, and these shoes are also thrifted. Wow, period. Looking for location number 2. So if y'all need the tips and tricks on what to do, just walk around with your iPhone out. B will just like go like that, see what she likes, and then bam, we found a little spot. It's simple as that, really, and it can be anywhere, even in your dingy little neighborhood. I'm working up a hunger here. Like,
I am too. I really haven't eaten today.
Yeah, I haven't eaten much either, so we should definitely think about food after. We're just putting in so much work right now.
It's hard being a model.
It's so
Forever 21, everything. Again, don't kill me. White sweater, blazer, mini skirt, same loafers, but with little sockies this time. Love.
Shirt is a little thrifted urban shirt. My skirt, same one, little thrifted vibe. This is from Nectar, and same little shoes. And then I put this little bow in my hair, courtesy of my mom's scrapbook room. Yeah. Cute.
Cute. I like
Yeah.
that one. That one's like Pinterest worthy.
Mm-hmm. That one's cute too. Yay. All right, that is it. That is a wrap for our little shoot moment. So we did our 3 outfits, and now we're gonna go home, get cozy, get some food, and then we'll check back in with y'all when we're editing the pictures so you can see our results, our favorites. Okay, so B and I went out to go eat, and now I'm back, and I'm going to look through all the photos. So I wanted to show you all like how many there were, so just for you to get an idea of like how many we took. I'm just gonna get in bed, just look through all the pictures. Usually my process for this is I go through and I favorite all the ones that like are a keep, not like necessarily all my favorite ones, but all the ones that I'm like, okay, yeah, like keep it. And then I delete all the ones that aren't favorited, and then I go through and deselect which ones like aren't actually my favorite, and then I usually put all the ones that I want to post into an album. Like I'll edit it if any editing is needed, and then I'll put them all into an album. Good morning, it's the next morning. So I went through last night and I just deleted the ones that were just like no's, and there were 298 pictures, but it got me thinking that I should probably talk about like just like a little advice and like what I normally do when I go out to like take pictures. I think that would be kind of helpful. The reason I take so many, or like have whoever's with me take so many, is because my #1 tip for like posing is to just create movement. Like if you just stand there and you're like, it's kind of awkward, but if you're just kind of like moving around, playing with like your accessories, like your clothes, like tugging at your shirt, like putting your hands in your pockets, like just kind of like coming up with new movements and like new little poses. I feel like those kinds of poses come off more natural. I always take my pictures in live. If your face comes out wonky but you like the picture, you might be able to like slide it and find one where your face looks a little better, like that kind of thing. And then B, I just love like saving some of the photos as like a little video. Like this was one of the pictures, but I just saved it as a live video, so now I have like that little video clip, and you can use those for like reels, TikTok, stuff like that. If I like any of those movement wise, I'll save them as a video first and then delete it. Also, another piece of advice that I heard one time, I think from somebody's YouTube channel, before you go to somewhere, like put on the outfit that you're gonna be taking photos in and like pose in the mirror with that outfit on. Certain poses looked better with like certain outfits, so I always just like stand in my mirror and like come up with a couple ways that like I want to pose in that outfit later when I'm gonna take pictures in it. But you know, if you're like at a dinner and you're like, okay, I want to like take a cute picture sitting at the table, like sit in front of your mirror and like practice a little bit. I don't know, it might seem awkward, but it'll make you more comfortable when you're actually taking the picture, and it'll help you see like what your vision is for the picture later. I don't know, that's just my advice when it comes to like Instagram pictures. Also, literally, who cares? Instagram is like not even a thing anymore. I don't know, I really don't know. I personally have always loved taking Instagram pictures. Like my favorite day in the world would be to just like wake up one day and like go around and get like a bunch of cute outfits and take pictures like an entire day and like go to cute new like little places and stuff. That's just my idea of like fun. It's not that serious, and that's kind of nice about social media right now. I think we're kind of moving towards it's not that serious type vibe with it. So that's why B and I were able to literally go outside in front of our apartment complex and get these like cute pictures. Like, you don't really have to go to like Tulum and have like the beautiful backgrounds anymore. Like, people like seeing realness on social media. So I think right now things are like a little less curated. So these are my favorites of the photos. I'll definitely be posting more on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and go like those. And if you comment that you're from my YouTube video, I will spam your Instagram. And I had absolutely so much fun filming this video. Even if you don't have somebody to go take pictures with you, like if this is something that you want to do, like go out and take Instagram pictures, I'm gonna link the tripod that I use down below. Put on a song you like, start posing, start moving. If you don't feel comfortable doing it out in like a public space, go do it somewhere that isn't busy, the top of a parking garage or something like that. Honestly, if you go to a parking garage, the odds are you're gonna see some other bitch also taking pictures at a parking garage. Like, we're always at parking garages, little like Insta girls, you know? If you wanna see any more videos like this, please let me know. I would be down to go to like a bunch of cool places in LA and figure out like where the best spots to go shoot are. And if you want to know a little bit more about like how I edit my photos, what apps I use, stuff like that, I could put that in a different video as well. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to follow my Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.